What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? Good night, everyone. This is another stock that we're gonna take a look at. One of my favorites that I used to trade a lot, which is JetBLU, ticker symbol JBLU. All right, I used to trade this stock all the way up until here. This is around 2015. Ever since here, this is a stock that you swing trade in and out on a daily level. Every day, every other day, you might swing trade this stock, but not a long-term holder. All right. But when it was moving, as you can see right here, when the stock started to uptrend, this is a great stock to be in because it respect its 20-day moving average on a weekly chart, and it just boom kept on moving. Because if you're looking at it from here and you saw this happen, this is cruise control right here. All right, cruise control. You don't have to do anything. Just fall back. You might get a little panic here, but until it actually crossed down this line, you had nothing to worry about. All right. And this is a stock that came from $7. All right. From $7, they had a big run all the way to $27. Yes, it took it almost a year to do, but that's what I said. Ever since this happened, I haven't traded this stock too much, but I'm looking for it to start breaking out here. What am I looking for? All right, let's take a look at this high right here. You see where this high is at? From this high here, I'm looking at it to see when will it cross. All right, when I look at it, this didn't happen yet in my eye. All right, so you're looking at it from here. Remember, the $27 was from right here. So from the bottom here, I kind of do my little, my little thing from here. So I'm looking for which way is the price gonna go. So I was expecting the price to keep continuing down here to have a nice pullback to down here. All right. So when this restart start to happen again, I could be more confident, but it didn't come all the way back down. It popped up right here, and ever since then, look like it's been doing this uptrend again, because it curled back right here. It didn't respect the 20-day, but it respected the 50-day right here. So will it hold this? All right, it has to hold this for me to start believing that, the stock is going to start uptrending. All right, so once this start to lift up and you see the 20-day moving average start to go up to around $22 and the price is closing above $22, and it's a sure bet that I could take this stock from that price and be sure that when it starts to move and pick up momentum, that it's going to come back and try to test this high right here. All right, and this was kind of like a flag pattern, some people might call it, but if you look at this huge run right here, all right, this is what you call a pullback after a huge run from $7. So the stock is still hanging strong. So if you're trading JetBLU, or if you looking at me when I'm going to start trading JetBLU, it's when some of these things start to happen here that I just pointed out. So like I said, I'm looking for some action to continue up here. So let me just draw the trend line. I'm looking for it to continue going up here. So this is what I'm looking for. If this can play out, all right. So if this can play out, then everything is trend line for me. Sometimes, like I said, I draw the fib and you get the same results. But on the trend line, you can see if this start to break my trend line right here, the 50-day moving average is right here, the blue line. If it start to trend down here, you can see it's gonna start to trend down. It's gonna start to follow actually this line right here to the downside before it start to break up and start trending up. Why do I say that? Because down here you got the 200-day moving average that's coming down here into contact with this line right here. So once the 200-day moving average is right here, price start to fall. This is where you're gonna look to find the turnaround. All right, it take time to see these things coming. All right, so this is what I would be waiting for everything to happen, and I wouldn't be surprised because I think down here you have earnings. You have earnings coming up right here in April. So, things normally happen around the same time as earnings. So if it has good earnings, as you can see, my turnaround point is somewhere right here. Earnings is somewhere right here. Now that I look down and I see that right here. So look for something to happen in JetBLU, for a turnaround to happen in JetBLU at around these price range over here, between this $18, what's it, $17.11, and this $20 range. So the stock been playing around this range for a while now. So look for it to break out once it start trending up to hit around $23. All right, that's my take on JetBLU. So if you're trading JetBLU, be easy, be careful, don't bet the mother load. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me the email at the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.